Hello Eden! Welcome back to my channel. Isa sa mga dahilan bakit mabroadcast ang Summer Sonic sa Japan ay dahil sa SB19. Heto nga, sa TV Asahi, ipapalabas ang pag-perform ng lahat ng artists sa Summer Sonic kasama dyan ang SB19. A special Summer Sonic program will be broadcast on TV Asahi late at night on the 23rd. Sasha, who serves as the MC for the marine stage of Summer Sonic Tokyo every year, will dive deep in Summer Sonic 25th anniversary. Program name, TV Asahi Record Event, Summer Sonic Special. Broadcast date and time, May 23, 3 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. Samantala, kasabay ng broadcasting ng Summer Sonic Special with SB19 and more artists, ay na-content din at nalaman sa articles ng Oricon News Japan ang ibang artist kasama dyan ng SB19, of course. Kaya naman, maraming salamat, Japan!
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with me.